Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today we will talk about gold futures market in the USA. So before start our video, if you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel all in one and press the bell icon to get the latest updates about our channel. So let's start our video. Can you trade gold futures in the US? Gold futures are traded at the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, or NYMEX. The standard contract size is 100 troy ounces, with two additional smaller contracts at 50 and 10 troy ounces. The exchange specifies the delivery of gold to New York area vaults and are subject to change by the exchange. Can I trade in gold in USA? Futures contracts are the main way to trade gold. A futures contract is an agreement to buy or sell gold for a set price on a future date. While futures contracts can be used to take possession of the physical commodity, you don't necessarily have to. Futures contracts can be settled in cash. Does TD Ameritrade trade gold? Visit tdameritrade.com and log in to your account. Go to Client Services, My Profile, and then select the General option. Under Elections and Routing, look for Futures and click Apply. What are the requirements to get approved for future trading? If you are seeking targeted exposure to gold products, there is a new way to do it at TD Ameritrade using weekly options on CME Group Gold Futures GC. As of mid-December 2019, account owners with futures approval can access weekly options on gold futures right from the Thinkorswim platform. Futures Gold Broker, Forex.com, Broker 1, Forex.com, Broker 2, Interactive Brokers, Broker 3, eTrade, Broker 4, TradeStation. Can you day trade futures without 25k? Any US based prospective day trader quickly learns about the traded pattern day trader PDT rule. The PDT essentially states that traders with less than $25,000 in their margin account cannot make more than 3 days trades in a rolling 5-day period. Are futures profitable? Trading futures is as profitable as the trading strategy used. For the most part, a trader's success is determined by his trading strategy and how well he executes the strategy. With a good strategy and proper execution, you can become a profitable future trader. So this is our today video about gold future trades and future gold broker. So if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you have any question about gold trade in USA market, you can freely ask in comment section. So we meet in next our informational video. Goodbye.